What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today I am going to show you how you can find a perfect landing page for your push traffic campaign in Anstrax and how you can rip that lander and adjust it to make it perfect for your campaign. So let's dive in. Alright, as you can see, I am at the home page of Deberoo, and you can still join the free beta. You can join the beta for free by simply clicking on this button right here, and that will take you to the sign up form where you can sign up to get free access to a brand new all-round affiliate marketing platform called the Deberoo Suite. So make sure to do that. I'll make sure to also drop in the link below in the descriptions. That will take you straight to the sign up form. So today we are going to talk about landing pages for your push notifications campaign, how to spy on them, how to download them and rip them, and how to adjust them within the Deberoo Suite. So let's go to Anstrax. So I'm using Anstrax as a spy tool, and they provide native spying as well as push spying and dropship spying recently. So let's go to Anstrax Push, and these are all the different push notification ads, and we want to specify the search on the vertical that we want to focus on, obviously. So let's say we have a campaign for an iPhone giveaway. Then I would search for iPhone, and I'm also going to select the language in English to make sure we only get English results. Alright, so here we go. The first thing what I do when I look for good landing pages is look for good creatives. When the creatives suck, I assume that the landing page is going to be no good either. It's not always the case, but usually it is. So I'm going to look for creatives where I'm like, okay, that will do. Let's check out their lander. And if I like the lander, then I download it and upload it to the landing page builder in Deberoo Suite, in which I can make some adjustments to it. So let's see, let's take a look. iPhone 11 Pro lucky winner. One missed call from blah blah blah. Less chance for your free iPhone Pro 12. Click now. That's a pretty aggressive but good creative. So let's check out the landing page. You have been selected to win an Apple iPhone 12 Pro. On the occasion of our anniversary, we will randomly select 10 users so they can get an Apple iPhone 12 Pro for free. But hurry up, this offer is only available for a limited time. Okay, not that strong. Let's see if we can find some more. You have one notice. I would call it a notification, but okay. Congratulations, you won the iPhone 11 Pro. Let's check out their landing page. Pushme.com. Okay. It's not gonna load up. Let's check something else. Your account was chosen. Take your iPhone 11 today. Alright, so this is a spinner. Congratulations, today you are lucky. Every Friday we select 7 mobile users to give them the opportunity to win prizes from our sponsors. Turn the wheel to see which prize you will receive. And then we have multiple devices. I want something more specific to iPhone, so let's continue to look. Congratulations, your mobile phone number won a new iPhone 11. Download now. Okay, yeah, we're not going to do that because that will not give us a good click-through rate, I can tell you right now. Sorry, some internal problems. So it might take you time to do the spying. Felicidades, that's not English. So if you want to run a Spanish campaign, that might work, but my Spanish is not that good. Hablo un poco español. But we are gonna focus on English today. So, are you a happy winner? iPhone 12 prize seeking winner. Alright. Random. Let's see. One new message. Win new iPhone. Error. Okay. Only in Singapore. Let's see this. This is an advertorial. Everything we know about iPhone 12 series. This looks pretty dope. So it's an advertorial and then the giveaway, which might conclude in pretty good quality traffic that goes to your offer page. So I want to give this a shot. So I'm going to press download and deploy and press OK afterwards. And now it's going to start downloading, and I can either click here to see the status, or I can go to this section right here and click on web page downloader. And right there we see ssl45.com, and that's going to be the landing page that we want to download. So the downloads first show up here, and after showing up here, if it's downloaded, you will get this button, zip and download. As you can see, it just finished. So when I click on that, it will download the zip file to my computer, and from there we can upload it to the Deberoo Suite landing page builder. So let's sign in. Once again, if you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up for the Deberoo Suite while it's still free and in the beta test mode, so you can use all the software completely free. So this is the dashboard of the Deberoo Suite. Let's go to the landing page builder, and I want to press upload zip. I want to give it a name and then choose file, and that's going to be ssl45.com. Creates, and now it's basically ripping it as we speak. There we go. Very fast. Awesome. I like it. I like it. So this is the landing page. As you can see, I can change the logo if I want to, change the images, change the headline. There's a sub headline giveaway at the end of the article. I actually want this in bold, and I want to, well, that's okay, just in bold. Makes it pop out a little bit more. And basically, I can adjust everything that I want to adjust. So if I want to change this this call to action, I can just say, instead of join giveaway, win an, maybe I want it to be a little bit lower, win an iPhone today. Easy as that, right? So you can change whatever you want. You can say, maybe I don't want this read more part, I can delete it. Or I can just keep it in there to make it look more like a sort of magazine type website where they have multiple information. This giveaway is only valid for Singaporeans. So maybe I want to run this somewhere else in Singapore. So I can choose to either, did I copy it? Yeah, I did copy it. Let's delete that. So I could choose to make this into Greece. Are you calling people from Greece, Greece? Whatever. Or is only valid for Spaniards. Or whatever it is. Or I can decide to delete the whole box, right? Press the trash can and it's gone. I can choose to basically edit, remove, or add anything that I want to my lander. So I download a landing page that I like, and from there I can adjust it all the way. So I can decide to change this landing page all up so that you don't even recognize that it's the same landing page anymore, but then you might as well start from blank. So it gives you a lot of options and a lot of possibilities to make sure that this landing page will perfectly fit in the coherency of your campaign, of your push notifications campaign. So it makes it very easy to make the best landing pages that you ever could. So to wrap it all up, Anstrax, great spy tool. Do some spying, do some research, see what's working, see what's not working, see what kind of landing pages other affiliates are making. And as soon as you find a landing page where you're like, oh my god, this is perfect for my campaign, I know for a fact this is gonna make the CTR just jump out of the roof and this is gonna make me money, then download that lander, upload it into the landing page builder in the Deberoo suite, make the adjustments that you want to make it perfectly coherent with your flow of your push notifications campaign, shoot it live, and make some money. Hell yeah. Don't forget to join the Deberoo suite beta while it's still free, and then I will leave it right here. But no worries, more content to come, so I will see you next time. Peace out.